fixed exchange rate system because all nations on the gold standard use the same currency. They use the same commodity as money. What about paper currency? Banknotes and government-issued notes under the gold standard were not money proper, but as because all nations on the gold standard use the same currency. They use the same commodity as money. What about paper currency? Banknotes and government-issued notes under the gold standard were not money proper, but as I said, they were money substitutes. And they substituted for gold in exchange as warehouse receipts. So you were trading claims to gold. You didn't need to trade the physical gold. It gave you greater security. It was more convenient to carry around claims to gold. It was just simply a title that expressed the fact that you were the owner of the underlying asset or thing that was referred to. So let's look at some of these money substitutes. Prior to 1920, banks could not only issue checking deposits, but private commercial banks could also issue their own notes. So let's take one from the Farmers and Merchants National Bank of Los Angeles. Notice what it says. It will pay to the bearer on demand $20. The $20 is that gold ounce that will be paid to you if you bring in for